Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a game-changing kitchen gadget that's perfect for anyone who loves preparing fresh fruits and vegetables. The Apple Peeler Slicer Corer with stainless steel blades and a powerful suction base. Now, if you're into canning, this tool is definitely the best pear knife for canning, as it can quickly peel, core, and slice pears for all your preserving needs. This tool is built with high-quality, ultra-strong die-cast alloy and 304 stainless steel blades, ensuring durability and rust resistance for years of use. The advanced materials give it the stability and strength to handle even the toughest jobs. Whether you're preparing apples, pears, or potatoes, this peeler will make your life in the kitchen so much easier. What's great about this tool is its versatility. You can use it in 3 different ways: peel only, core and slice, or do all 3 tasks at once. This saves you so much time, whether you're making a delicious apple pie, preparing a healthy fruit salad, or simply slicing up potatoes for a savory dish. Another standout feature is the powerful suction base. It ensures the peeler stays securely in place, even during the most intense peeling sessions. The suction works best on smooth, non-porous surfaces, so be sure to press down firmly on the base before activating it to ensure maximum stability. In terms of ease of use, it's incredibly simple to operate, and you'll be able to prepare your fruits and veggies in no time. The tool does all the hard work for you, making it nearly effortless to get perfectly peeled, cored, and sliced fruit for your recipes or canning. This apple peeler is a must-have for anyone who loves to prepare fresh produce or enjoys canning. With its sturdy construction, powerful suction base, and simple operation, it makes food preparation a breeze. Plus, it's backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee, so you can rest easy knowing that if you have any issues, you'll be taken care of. Thanks for watching this review on the best pear knife for canning, the Apple Peeler Slicer Corer. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best kitchen gadgets and appliances. Happy cooking!